Well, good morning. We are doing Gage New York, Module 1, Lesson 6. Remember, for our team, we decided to split it up in 3 parts so you have practice, practice, practice. We're still working with MBT 3, but we're working with the part about comparing numbers to the thousandths using less than, greater than, and equal to. So make sure we're using the right signs. Less than means this number on this side is less than. Number here, it's greater than, and numbers are equal. Here's an example. Make sure we compare the largest value, place value first, and go column by column. So let's see how that looks. I'm going to start right here with our first number, 22 7/10 versus 22 9/100. I know for me, the 900 sounds bigger because we've been taught for many years that 900 is bigger. But remember, I'm using the TH, hundredths. And hundredths is actually smaller than tenths. So what I'm doing is I'm looking at the 22, that's even. So I look at the tenths column. Right here, I could put a 0 if I want. So I'm going to quick draw it in. My 0. But I'm looking at this 0 and this 7. And which one's bigger, you guys? Yours are way too smart. You're right, the 7's bigger, so we'd color in the greater than. Let's look at this one right here. First thing I got to do, you guys, is, you're right, write it out. It's important so we know what the number is, just not the words. It says it's 89 1/10. So I'm going to do 81 point, where's my tenth? Is it first? Is it second? Oh, it's first. Thank you for reminding me, you guys. You're amazing. I realized I kind of colored right there. Here we go. So let's look. I'm going to pick a different color to compare my numbers, you guys. So I have an 8 here and an 8. I have a 1. I have a 1. Oh, look at this. I have a 0 and I have a 1. Which way will I be? Is it greater than, less than? You're right. It is less than because the 1 is bigger than the 0. All you do is make sure you're measuring it per each column. So I'm going to go down and I want to work on one more. We're going to work on a word problem. Something I want you guys to pay attention to is you've got to understand what the question is asking. This one says, which package weighed more? It's great that it's asking, but I need to know package. So right now we're looking at beef and we're looking at turkey meat. So the first thing I would do is I'm looking at the numbers. So I'm going to quick highlight these numbers so you can see them. Okay, so I have a 2 and I have a 3. So which package weighs more? So Jeff bought 2 63/100 pounds of beef and 3 200 pounds of turkey meat. So you just told me that the 3's bigger. So that means right here, we're going to write turkey meat. I know you guys really want to write 3.202 as being bigger, but it's not what it's asking. It's asking which weighed more, which package. They didn't care how much the package weighed. We just want to know which one weighed more. So please, I want you to finish the rest of these. Have fun with this. Even though this wasn't a very fun one, it's what it is. It's just something you need to know, be able to recognize. Make sure you do the check for understanding. And I will talk to you later. Remember to smile, giggle, and wiggle. Bye.